Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best car brake pads of 2026. Best high-performance brake pads. Whether you're replacing worn brake pads, upgrading your vehicle's stopping power, or improving driving safety, choosing the right brake pads is one of the most important maintenance decisions you can make. The best brake pads are designed to deliver strong stopping performance, reduce brake fade, minimize dust and noise, improve durability, and provide reliable braking in both everyday driving and demanding conditions. From daily commuters to SUVs, trucks, and performance vehicles, there's a brake pad set that fits your driving style and budget. In this guide, we'll explore the best car brake pads available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Starting off with the Bendix Priority 1 CFC 1212 ceramic rear brake pads. These premium ceramic brake pads are designed to deliver smooth, quiet, and dependable braking performance for everyday drivers. Their advanced ceramic friction material helps reduce brake dust while maintaining excellent stopping power across a wide range of temperatures. The precision-engineered design promotes even pad wear, extending service life and helping protect the brake rotors from excessive wear. Noise-reducing shims and premium hardware contribute to quieter braking with less vibration, creating a more comfortable driving experience. Built for reliable daily performance, these brake pads perform consistently during city driving, highway cruising, and stop-and-go traffic. Drivers appreciate their easy installation, dependable braking response, and long-lasting durability. Next up is the R1 Concepts front and rear brake kit, a complete braking solution designed for drivers seeking enhanced stopping power and simplified installation. This kit combines high-quality brake pads with matched brake rotors, ensuring balanced braking performance throughout the entire system. The ceramic brake pads provide consistent friction while producing minimal dust and reduced brake noise, making them ideal for everyday commuting as well as spirited driving. Precision-machined rotors improve heat dissipation and help reduce brake fade during repeated stops, while corrosion-resistant coatings enhance long-term durability. The complete kit design eliminates compatibility concerns and makes brake system upgrades more convenient. Users frequently praise the improved pedal feel, smoother braking, and straightforward installation process. For drivers looking to replace both pads and rotors together, the R1 Concepts front and rear brake kit offers excellent performance and outstanding value. Moving on, the C2 brake pads kits provide reliable braking performance at an affordable price, making them a practical choice for routine brake maintenance. Manufactured using quality friction materials, these brake pads are engineered to deliver dependable stopping power while minimizing excessive brake dust and unwanted noise. Their durable construction promotes even wear, helping extend pad life while maintaining consistent braking performance under everyday driving conditions. The precision-fit design allows for straightforward installation on compatible vehicles, making them suitable for both professional mechanics and experienced DIY installers. Drivers appreciate their smooth braking characteristics, comfortable pedal response, and dependable overall performance. Whether replacing worn factory brake pads or performing regular maintenance, the C2 brake pads kits deliver excellent everyday reliability without exceeding your budget. The PowerStop rear brake pads are built for drivers who want dependable braking performance combined with improved durability and cleaner operation. Featuring advanced ceramic friction compounds, these rear brake pads produce strong and consistent stopping power while generating significantly less brake dust than many traditional brake materials. Their premium construction helps reduce brake noise and vibration, creating a smoother and quieter driving experience in both city traffic and highway conditions. The heat-resistant formulation also helps minimize brake fade during repeated braking, improving confidence during demanding driving situations. Precision engineering ensures proper fitment and even pad wear, supporting long service life and reliable performance. Drivers consistently praise their smooth braking feel, reduced maintenance, and dependable stopping capability. Finally, the R1 Concepts front and rear brake kit earns the top spot as our favorite brake upgrade for 2026 thanks to its exceptional combination of braking performance, complete system compatibility, premium construction, and outstanding overall value. Designed as a complete brake replacement solution, this kit includes precision-engineered brake pads and matched rotors that work together to deliver consistent stopping power, improved heat management, and dependable braking performance in a wide variety of driving conditions. The premium ceramic brake pads provide excellent friction while minimizing brake dust, noise, and vibration, helping maintain cleaner wheels and a quieter ride. High-quality rotors improve cooling efficiency and resist warping during repeated heavy braking, contributing to greater long-term reliability. Corrosion-resistant finishes help protect the braking components from moisture and road debris, extending service life even in harsh environments. Installation is simplified thanks to the complete matched kit design, making it an excellent option for both professional service and DIY brake replacement. All of these brake pads offer valuable advantages depending on your vehicle and driving needs. The Bendix Priority 1 CFC 1212 ceramic rear brake pads provide quiet, low-dust braking for everyday driving. The R1 Concepts front and rear brake kit delivers a complete braking system upgrade with matched components. The C2 brake pads kits offer dependable performance at an affordable price. The PowerStop rear brake pads combine strong stopping power with clean, quiet operation, while the R1 Concepts front and rear brake kit stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its premium quality, balanced braking performance, complete replacement package, and long-term durability. When choosing brake pads, it's important to consider vehicle compatibility, brake pad material, braking performance, heat resistance, dust production, noise reduction, durability, rotor compatibility, installation ease, and overall value. Replacing worn brake pads with quality components can significantly improve stopping performance, driving safety, and overall vehicle reliability. That wraps up our top 5 best car brake pads of 2026, best high-performance brake pads. Whether you're upgrading your braking system, replacing worn components, or performing routine maintenance, there's a dependable brake pad option on this list for your vehicle. Let us know in the comments which model you'd choose, or if you've already installed one of these brake pads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy safer, smoother, and more confident driving every time you hit the road.